What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Welcome back for another Sneak and Vest episode, and we got a few order from goats, and as you can see right here we have few that been sold on goats, so let's take them out. By the way, Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And first up, we sold this Air Max 98 Spirit Teal, and this one we sold it about 130, and I believe we bought this one somewhere around 75 or something, and that's the size 10. So take them out. You got the Nike Air Max 98 Spirit Teal, or some kind of Hornets colorway. This one's been sitting here for almost about a year or so, and we bought this somewhere about $75, and we sold this one for 130, as you can see right there. And so almost somewhat like $45 return of investment on this one. So less than a year, or almost a year. Not bad for investment. Moving on with another one what we sold on goat, so it should be right here. It's the Air Vapor Max Flyknit 2. We sold this for 112. We bought this for $79.97 with the additional 30%. I really like the colorway on this one. I wish could be in my size though, 10 and a half. This gonna be a little bit bigger for me, because this is the Air Vapor Max Flyknit 2, and usually when Flyknits are have some kind of extra room right here in the toe box. So if you are, I would say it's not real true to the size. I would say go half lower size if you are looking for a Flyknit 2, Vapor Max Flyknit 2. Next one, we got the Air Boomero. Should be right here. Air Boomero 14. There you go. So we got the size 10 Air Zoom Boomero 14. We sold this for $84.59. I believe we got this one $69.97 with the additional 20%. So this is a kind of another one that I'm trying to do with my reselling game as a reseller, a quick flip. So I bought this one $69.99 with the additional 20%. Then I'm selling them for $84.59. So at least I'm making more than at least 30% quick money for at least less than a month. So good one for this one. So next one, we sold this size 11 Air Vapor Max Bumblebee. Should be somewhere around here. And size 11. So the retail on this one is $150. We bought them for $67.97, additional 30%, and they call this the Bumblebee. Anyway, $126.22. Sold them for $126.22, and there you go, $126.22. Bought them for $67.97, additional 30%. So that's a lot, like about somewhere around 90% return of investment. And this one is really cool, especially this Air Max Plus some kind. Okay, so that is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we sold 6, but the bad thing is this Air Zoom Flyknit, this one size 9 Zoom Flyknit Gunsmoke and Lunar Control Vapor 2, and this one is size 11. So this is gonna be my tip for you if you are reselling on goat, especially you doing a lot of reselling different platform, and it happens I'm unable to update my listing, and this one happens most of the time. I do that. My size 11 are sold out, from different platform, and also sold this Zoomfly knit on the other platforms as well. So my tip for you is replace it with something else. Like I got this here, the Nike Lunar Control Vapor 2, size 9.5, and this one is the Nike Zoom Razor. And as you can see right here, my seller rating is 818. As you can click right there, as you can see, the high reseller rating. So this is the one that you could do to avoid that you will ban and go. So I'm sending in this one for consignment, so that I'm not gonna have a minus 10 points on my rating. So these are the few good ones that I sold. Doubling my money, more than doubling my money. Quick flip, another doubling my money, and another doubling my money. And this one, even though I've been waiting for this one for a long while, it's almost a year. Alright, that's all what we sold on GOAT. I hope you learned something new on reselling on GOAT. And that being said, Nolasco here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.